Yeah, sugar in my eyes. You make me wanna take that risk.
Hey guys, so I totally forgot after I filmed this video that I didn't make an intro. I just went right into it. So if you guys need a little info, this is just going to be a decorative video on how to decorate your beauty space. This is so easy ways, if you're on a budget and you still want your little vanity area to look cute and girly, this is going to be some easy tips and tricks to do it. And I did forget to mention a few things, so at the end of this video I'm going to mention a few other ways you can decorate your room. So if you guys want to see how I decorate my room, then just keep watching. So the first thing we are going to decorate is the perfume box. If you saw my last video, it was that Valentine's ideas video. I had shown you this right here, and this is what I have on my decor on my vanity. I just used a perfume box, and this is from Juicy Couture, and then I just put some fake flowers in here. And these are all from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you how I made this. So you can use any perfume box or just any kind of box. So yeah, this was the Viva La Juicy one, and I just have pink flowers in here with these hearts. So I'm going to create another one for you and show you how I did it. This one I recently got. This is the Viva La Juicy Glaze. If y'all are wondering, it's one of the newest ones that came out. This is a 1.7, so it is a little bit smaller than this one. So I'm going to show you how I decorated it. So in this box that the perfume came in, it came with another box just to keep the perfume secure. So what we're going to do is put the box back inside. Okay, so this box already has a hole in it because of the top of the perfume. So this is where I'm going to stick all the flowers in. So we already have that set. So I'm going to be using these flowers right here. I did get all of these from the Dollar Tree, so you can find these there right now. Just go to the floral aisle where they have all the flowers, and then these I got in the Valentine's aisle. So I'm going to go ahead and put some flowers in there. So you're going to need to measure as well how much stem you need to cut off of it. So I'm going to cut a little bit, so just the end. And these are very hard to cut, so be careful what scissors you're using. Okay. So we're just going to put the flowers in here, and you can also fold them if you don't have scissors. You can just fold it. So I'm going to fold it. It's already coming along. How cute! And I love doing DIYs, guys, because this is just so cheap and affordable, and this is a perfect way to spice up your beauty space and make everything look cute, and you don't even have to spend anything. So that's what I love about this DIY. So I really hope you guys enjoy it and get an idea of how to spice up your beauty space. Okay. And then I'm just going to put the hearts in, and like I said, you can get these at the Dollar Tree, and it fits perfect in there. So we're going to put in, there's two different colored ones. So I think I'm going to put this one in the front. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And this one in the back. Okay, I think we are good. So this is how I'm going to leave it. I just think it is so cute and girly, and look how cute they look next to each other. I chose purple just because this looks kind of like pastel. It kind of almost looks purple. It's not completely pink. So I thought purple would be like a good color just to contrast with it. And then of course I'm going to add pink in there. But I just thought this was really cute to do, and like I said, it is like the perfect way to glam up your girly space. Like I said, anybody can do this. It's so easy. Literally just took me 2 seconds. And it is just such a perfect way to glam up your girly space, you guys. So y'all definitely have to try this, and if y'all do try it, please send me a picture in the comments. I would love to see it. So I'm going to show you more ways if you don't have a perfume box and you want to do something different, then I have other things that you can also try. So I'm going to go ahead and put these out of the way. Okay, so the next arrangement I'm going to show you is from a mug, and here's some flowers. They're also from the Dollar Tree. All these flowers that I'm using is from the Dollar Tree, just to let you guys know. So this is just a mug. I got this mug for Christmas, and it says, "I wake up for makeup." I'm not sure where this was from. I think my sister-in-law got it from maybe Home Goods or Marshall's. I know you can find these mugs there, but it's just so cute. It just says, "I wake up for makeup," and it has pink and white with a gold foil. So you can definitely just get a mug. And so now we're going to cut these so that they fit into the cup. If you are under 18 watching this, you will need some parental help because this stuff is no joke. Like, you can easily hurt yourself. Like, I just broke a nail for you guys. Look, I broke a nail. I did it for you guys, so just know that I'm real. I'm a real MVP. Okay, so we have all of them cut up. We're just going to go ahead and put them in easy to give it that Valentine vibe. And voila! You have a cute little flower arrangement. So that is literally it, you guys, and it looks just like your own custom little vase. It is just so cute, and this is just perfect just to put anywhere onto your vanity. Like, I could literally just leave that there, and look how cute it makes your counter look. Like, this is just so easy and simple, and I feel like this is perfect. So yeah, definitely if you don't have a perfume box to use it for, you can definitely use your favorite mug. I'm going to show you is from a container. This container I got from the Target dollar spot, and they always have containers like these. It was $3. This is a pastel pink container, and I used to put my cotton balls in here, and it just has the top like this. But you can also use it for the flower arrangements as well. So these are all the flowers. I kind of put them together because you kind of get the point of how I have them. And I literally just put them in here and organize it. And that is literally it, you guys. Like, this is so easy and simple. This is just like the mug. But if you didn't want to do the mug, you could also do something like this too. And this definitely looks like you went and bought this at the store when really you made it at home. And it's so easy and so affordable and so cute. So all of this together would be about $5 just, you know, to have all this. And I just think it's so cute. Like, it just looks so cute on your vanity space, or even, like I said, in your bathroom, your bedroom, next to your counter. Just anywhere, but this is just so perfect. So I really love how this one came out. So you can definitely get a little container. You can find these at the Target dollar spot. I'll show you guys one last brush cup. So all of this material I got at Dollar Tree. Like, you would expect to pay $10 for something like this because look how cute it looks. It looks really expensive, and I only paid $3 for everything you see here. So I paid $1 for the ribbon. I paid $1 for the, what are they called? The table scatter decorations, and they're the hearts. Woo! And then I paid $1 for the brush cup. So literally, all of this was at the Dollar Tree for $1. So this is $3 right here. So what you do is you get the flowers, which are also at Dollar Tree for $1. I'm not going to cut the stems because I actually have this, I'm actually using this right now for my brushes, so I'm just going to show you guys like a little example. I'm not actually going to cut all the stems because I'm not going to use this for that. So you can just put all the flowers in there, and then your hearts, they're optional. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. This is just how I like to do it. And then We're going to go ahead and put all the hearts back in there just so everything stays in place. But this is just, I love being this creative, like to where it is so affordable. Anybody can afford this. This is just such a great way to decorate your beauty space. And I mean, like I said, anybody can do it. And you would expect like this to be really expensive when it's actually not. So this whole piece right here is $5. I would pay probably more than $10 for this if I were to see it at the store. So yeah, this is just a cute way just to decorate your beauty area or wherever you're wanting to decorate. You can even use this for parties. If you have a little girl or even like a quinceañera and you want to decorate the tables, this would be like a cute centerpiece for the tables. Like I would put this on my tables. I just think these are so cute. So I'm also going to put this little unicorn inside the cup just to be even more girly because that's how I am. So this is just a little lip gloss I got from Rue 21. And I'm just going to put it in here. And then I also have a little donut gloss. I'm also going to put it in there just because I'm that girly, you guys. So that is just how it looks. So I just think this is so cute to have the unicorns in there and the donut with all the little hearts and then the flowers. And also this is so cute if you want to put this with your brushes. I will just show you how they look next to each other. Like that is just so cute, you guys. But like I said, you can use these decor pieces for anything. Great way to gift this to your loved one. So I really like how these came out. Let me know if you guys liked them. I also wanted to add in, this is another funky way you can decorate your beauty room. So I just literally got a Too Faced setting powder and I'm in love with it, by the way. So I didn't want to throw the box away because it was just so cute. So I was thinking of how I can use it. And I decided to cut a little hole at the top of the box and then just stick a flower that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just stuck it in there and yeah, that is literally it. Super easy. And look how cute. If you guys follow me on Instagram, if you don't, I'll put my handle here so you can follow me. But I did post this picture on my Instagram and it looks so cute. I think it just ties everything in together just because I'm like a Too Faced maniac. Sorry for the bad lighting, you guys. But I also wanted to share another way you can decorate your beauty room. So you can get your favorite bag. Let's say you went and got your purse and they gave you a Michael Kors bag to put in there. You can also just get flowers from the dollar store and literally just throw the flowers in it and look how cute it makes everything look. Or a lot of you girls love to shop at Victoria's Secret. You can also use a Victoria's Secret bag and throw flowers in there. That would be really, really cute as well. But just any cute bag, honestly, or a box, like you can just find any way to decorate your room. Like this was a coffee mug and I just threw flowers in there. Now they're coming out, but it's just for decoration. So you literally just can decorate your stuff so easy that way. And that's the box that everybody asks about. But yeah, that is literally how you can decorate. Like you can look here and you see all my flowers and it was so cheap to do. So there you have it, guys. Okay, you guys, that was it for my decoration video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I love doing videos like this for you. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe and comment what you want to see next. I'm just thinking of ideas as I go. I literally thought of this morning. I was like, what video am I going to film? And I thought of this video today. So I'm just thinking about videos as I go. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I'd love to do them for you. But I just thought everything came out so cute and I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.